In this video, I'm going to go through an example of completing the square so you guys can figure out the equation of a circle written in standard form. So first off, I'm going to add 11 to both sides. So then I get x squared plus y squared plus 8x minus 6y equals 11. And then I'm going to group my variables. So I'm going to have x squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 6y equals 11. So group my variables so all my x's are together, all my y's are together. And then this is the part where you're going to complete the square. So I'm going to take my 8, I'm going to do it off to the side over here. So I'm going to divide that by 2, and I get 4, and then I'm going to square that. So I get 16. And then with my 6, I'm going to divide by 2, I get 3, and then I'm going to square that, so I get 9. So that's what it's like completing the square. So with those numbers, I'm going to add in those numbers. So now I've got x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9. And then that's going to equal 11 plus 16 plus 9. Because what I do to one side of my equation, I have to do to the other side. So now I've got x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9, and then that's going to equal 36. I'm going to factor my x squared plus 8x plus 16. I know that's a perfect square trinomial, so it's going to factor to, grab my eraser here, it's going to factor to x plus 4 squared, and then my y's are going to factor into another perfect square trinomial, so y minus 3 squared, and then I know that 36 is 6 squared. So now this is the circle written in standard form. So the equation of the circle written in standard form. If you guys need more help with completing the square, please let me know.